The life of a fern is much different from what we normally consider the life of a plant. Whereas some plants have flowers, or seeds, ferns have spores, which are grown on the underside of the plant. These spores are what all ferns start their life as. A grown fern, what we refer to as a diploid sporophyte, produces haploid spores during meiosis. Diploid and haploid refer to the chromosomes, with diploid having double the number of haploid, while meiosis refers to cells dividing to have half the number of chromosomes, allowing for sexual reproduction cells to be made. This little spore grows into a gametophyte, still haploid, made of prothallus. It is still very small, however, though it can be seen by the human eye, it is hardly detectable. This prothallus waits for reproduction to become possible, using photosynthesis to keep itself alive. The gametophyte produces gametes, sexual cells, that are typically sperm and eggs on the same prothallus, using mitosis. Because the sperm must swim to the egg, the fern must wait for the right conditions, mostly it being moist and warm, for fertilization to take place. The flagellate sperm will swim, detaching itself from the prothallus, to the egg, which stays attached. The sperm will swim to its own prothallus, fertilizing itself, as well as to other prothallus which are nearby, as long as they have enough way to get to it. This creates a diploid zygote, which can then grow into a diploid sporophyte, or the typical fern plant we see today. It starts as a small, moss-like growth, and it is very fragile. It will dry out from direct sunlight and can easily be drowned or even crushed. However, the larger it grows, the more likely it is to live a full life and be able to produce spores of its own.